How to copy text from a PDF when copy-paste don't work. First, open your PDF file. If you can't select or highlight any text, that usually means the PDF is actually an image instead of real text. That's why copy and paste won't work. To fix this, click the Print button in the top right corner of your PDF viewer. Now, under Printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. If your computer shows Save as PDF, you can use that instead. Click Print, choose a location to save the new PDF, and save the file. Next, open Microsoft Word. Click Open, browse to the new PDF you just saved, and select it. Word will display a message saying it will convert the PDF into an editable Word document. Click OK and wait a few seconds while the conversion finishes. Once it's done, you'll be able to select the text, copy it, edit it, and even search through the document just like a normal Word file. To copy everything at once, simply press Ctrl+A to select all the content, then press Ctrl+C to copy it. You can now paste the text into Word, Google Docs, Notepad, or anywhere else you need. And that's it. That's the easiest way to copy text from a PDF when copy and paste don't work. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.